How to use Tap to Pay with Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to show you how we can use the Tap to Pay feature with the Cash App. Whether you're at a store, splitting a bill, or making quick payments, this feature makes it super easy, so let's just dive right into the video. First thing first, make sure Tap to Pay is supported in your region and you have that feature available on your device. And after you have successfully set up your Cash App and you have logged in, you just need to make a payment. So after you have successfully launched the Cash App on your home screen, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on the scanner icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can find that very easily. Just go ahead and tap on the link on that scanner. After that, you need to allow the Cash Apps to take pictures and record videos so that you can scan other people's terminal. So you're just gonna go ahead and place your phone over close to the terminal and then place the app above the code, and then there you have it. Now you can successfully send or just tap to pay someone with your Cash App for a quick and easy payment. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. And then if you have got any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will see you in the next video.